Welcome to Clay Nissan Norwood. Drive happy, pay less. This month's extraordinary specials include the Nissan Rogue, a whole new way to make driving fun. The Nissan Rogue, with its intelligently designed interior, car-like handling, and stylish exterior. This compact crossover SUV also boasts an affordable price and 2 trim options. Standard features include a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder aluminum block engine producing 170 horsepower, 175 pound-feet of torque, and has automatic, shiftless, Xtronic, continuously variable transmission. Air conditioning with in-cabin microfilter, 60/40 split fold-down rear seat backs, cargo area tie-down hooks, underfloor storage, UV-reducing solar glass, body-colored bumpers and grille, Nissan Advanced Airbag System, latch system, and tire pressure monitoring system. Enticing options include power sliding glass moonroof with one-touch open-close and tilt feature, Nissan Intelligent Key, keyless entry, and ignition system, digital Bose audio system with AM/FM in-dash 6 CD changer, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and Bluetooth hands-free phone system. Visit us online to schedule your test drive of the Nissan Rogue today.